Saturday, March 21st. For us, it's been about a week of full quarantine here in New York City. Although I did have to go to work on Thursday, and I did have to go into Brooklyn for an essential trip on Tuesday or Wednesday, I forget. But here we are, it's Saturday, and the situation, I guess it's not worse. It's definitely not better, because I guess it is worse. Look, we are doing the best that we can, coping, adjusting. For that reason, because we're going to be stuck in our homes all weekend, I am going to show you guys how I make my very famous Johnny Guerrero's huevos rancheros. I don't eat spicy food, so there's nothing spicy about them. I guess they're not really huevos rancheros. It's just like a very Spanish way of making eggs, well, making scrambled eggs and adding some stuff to them, which I think some of you might find a little gross, but I like them. I like them. I don't know if my mother made them for me first or one of my aunts back in Colombia. I don't remember. Now, it's going to be a 2-for-1. I'm going to shoot the vlog, but I'm also going to do it on Facebook Live. My wife doesn't know that yet, though. So let's go get. I have eggs. I have some of the ingredients, but I have to go to the supermarket. So let's go there real quick. Definitely need those. Good looking tomatoes. This might be a problem. No scallions. Damn it. No! Oh yes, they have. Success. Not much chicken left. So there's a little bit back and forth here. I got Facebook Live and I got the vlog going, but welcome everybody. I am filming my very Spanish breakfast, and it consists of scrambled eggs, a little bit of tomatoes, some scallions, and the special recipe revealed in a couple of minutes. The special recipe is actually boiling right now. We'll get to that later. First, I'm gonna take the scallion, start cutting it up into pieces. I've already washed it. I washed my hands. I did all that stuff. The goal here is to cut the scallions into small pieces. So now the tomato, too. I do the whole scallion. Some people say you should be doing like certain ends of it or whatever. I do everything. I think that's a good ratio. This guy's almost done boiling. So the special ingredient, as I've mentioned a handful of times, is boiling, and it's almost ready. So we'll get the eggs ready here. Oh, there is another thing that I haven't shown you guys that I very much enjoy with my breakfast. Arepa de choclo. For all my Colombians out there, you know what I'm talking about. Arepa de choclo. You need to get your hands on this. I personally like to put it in the toaster and rotate it or put it in twice. It does a pretty good job. The ingredient, the special ingredient, is almost done. And again, this might turn off a lot of people. A lot of people might get disgusted by this. It's my thing. It's my jam. Gonna do a little scramble of the eggs. As far as condiments go, it depends. It depends. I don't usually like to do too much of things, so I'll add a little salt. Some people like the peppers, and I keep it simple with my eggs, a little salt. All right. I think the special ingredient is ready. So I'm gonna reveal what that is. Special ingredient is ready. Here it comes. Woo! The one thing that's going to make Johnny Guerrero's Very Spanish Eggs special is a hot dog. I have boiled the hot dog to perfection, right? And now I will cut it. I just think that once you cook all of this in a little bit of oil, it just enhances and enriches that flavor, which I'm very fond of. Fire up the grill here. Well, not the grill, but a little bit of olive oil. Sorry guys, I'm just adjusting here for the vlog. So, back to what's happening here. We have eggs ready to go. I've salted them. I've got the special ingredient, which is a hot dog, boiled hot dog. I've got scallions and I've got tomatoes. I've got the olive oil here ready. I use these guys to make sure that they are spread out. Practice social distancing as well. And then I'll turn them over in about a minute. Get the other side nice and crispy as well. Then I'll throw all this stuff in there. I will put pressure on the tomatoes and the scallions with this guy. That brings out all the juices, and I finish it off with the eggs. If you guys want to place an order, now is the time. I am making deliveries. Alright, so here we go. Hot dogs are cooking. I'm going to throw in these scallions and tomatoes. This is where I put the pressure on stuff to get the juices out. Ow, I'm getting burned. I've got the paste, so to speak, just about ready. Just about perfection. Next up, I'm going to throw in the eggs, and I think we're pretty much done. This is ready. Oh baby, here we go. Lower the heat. See, now we're scrambling. Ooh. Ah. It's delicious. I've watched Gordon Ramsay talk about scrambling eggs, and he says that if they've cooked in the pan, by the time you put them on the plate, you messed up. Your eggs are not supposed to be cooked on the pan, so right now they are still kind of raw-ish, and I'm just doing the scrambling. Yes, we have a good combination going here. The eggs, the hot dogs, and the scallions with the tomatoes are mixing in very nicely. Right? I'll put this on the side. Sometimes I like to take a little piece of cheese, put it on the side there, right next to my eggs. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I think that you guys get the picture. Listen, for times like these, we have to do whatever we can to keep our sanity. So that is it for today, guys. I will see you tomorrow. I do have another vlog that I've been working on, and I will post that tomorrow. So hopefully everything continues to, if not improve, it'll change a course in the coming days. So stay healthy, stay safe. See you tomorrow. Peace.